Hello, to change wallpaper on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active, you simply have to press and hold your watch face, and as it vibrates and the watch face shrinks, you can select any watch face that you have available on your Smart Band. And to get more smart bands, get more face watches actually, you have to go into your Mi Fitness application. From there you go into device, and here you have manage band displays. There you have a lot of different band displays, watch faces to choose from. You simply select one you'd like and you press apply. The new watch face will install, and after installing and syncing, as you can see, it is available right now on your watch and is enabled. So basically that's it. Also, you have all the installed watch faces under the local category. So here you can see all the faces and change the wallpaper from your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.